In 1997, Bradford Marine had the foresight to imagine the future of yacht service, securing 47 acres within the tax and duty-free zone of Grand Bahama Port Authority. Bradford Marine's Bahamas shipyard was born. A mere 60 miles from the U.S. mainland, Bradford Marine's Bahamas shipyard is easily accessible. Clients can enjoy convenient travel from Fort Lauderdale via Bradford's private plane, or effortlessly navigate the vessel through Freeport's well-marked, broad shipping canal. Boasting 2,500 feet of linear alongside deep-water dockage, vessel size is not a concern. No overhead restrictions and extra-wide beam clearance allows for maximum vessel accessibility. The Diver, a 1,200-ton floating dry dock, can haul vessels up to 225 feet. For larger projects, a working partnership with Grand Bahama Shipyard ensures service up to 27,000 tons and 700 feet in length. Whether the vessel is a sailboat, motor yacht, or catamaran, the 150-ton travel lift can service a variety of needs. Commercial or pleasure, Bradford Marine brings unrivaled service capabilities to the Bahamas. No matter the job, owners and captains experience on-time service. Dedicated project managers lead a team of 60 skilled, local, and certified men and women who approach each project with a personalized touch. Dockside customs and immigration personnel, 24-hour security, and a strong relationship with local institutions simplifies international compliance while in port. Bradford Marine's Bahamas Shipyard offers an extensive selection of on-site services. A state-of-the-art machine shop capable of handling the largest of propeller shafts. Custom canvas fabrication and installation. Custom fiberglass, carpentry, and paint. Hydraulic, electrical, and plumbing repairs. In-house brokerage services with docking incentives. Storage on the hard, well above sea level, complete with hurricane tie-downs. Precision prop balancing and cutting-edge MRI inspection technology. Above or below the waterline, Bradford Marine's Bahamas Shipyard creates safe and reliable solutions for yachting. Always looking to the future, Bradford Marine provides world-class service unparalleled in the region. Bring it to the best. Bring it to Bradford.